So with this big pack here of dime holders, we can get a lot more of them. Yeah, look at that. They fit in there just great. We have a bunch of silver dimes and quarters, and we want to get some tubes for them. So we got these 10 square coin tubes for silver dimes. So we're going to go ahead and see how they fit in there. You can see these are the silver dimes. You can tell by the way they look. You don't see any of the copper on the edge, and you can also tell by the date. You can see 1964. So anything pre-1965 is going to be made of silver. My son's wearing gloves because if you do touch them with your fingers, they can get tarnished. You see the difference, how tarnished that one is? The tarnished ones are kind of cool, though, because you can see how old they are. That one's a 1951. And this other one here next to it, that's a 1961. So you can see the difference between the tarnished one and the untarnished one. Pre-1965 coins are 90% silver, and so it takes a few of them to get to an ounce. So if you have 5 quarters and 2 dimes, that equals 1 ounce of silver. Or if you have 14 dimes, that equals an ounce of silver. And I'll touch this old one here because I don't have gloves on, but you can see what they look like. How there's not any copper on there, it's just all silver. That one didn't show it very well, but this one, if you just touch it by the edges, it's fine. But you can see how it's just all silver. And so you have 14 dimes. So that's 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounce. And then our quarters, our 5 quarters and 2 dimes is 4 ounces. So this right here is 4 ounces of silver. We got one of the dime holders here. And I just wanted to show you, we have another holder that has the 10 ounce, the 10th ounce coins in it, and you can see how it's bigger. So you're not going to be able to fit your 10th ounce coins in here. We'll go ahead and drop one down here and show you the difference in size. So you can see a 10th ounce coin is a little bit bigger than a dime. You can see the difference in size. Plus the dime is only 90% silver. This is 9.9, or this is 0.99 silver. You can see it won't fit in there. So if you have the 10th ounce silver rounds, you don't want to use those in here. This is just for the dimes, the constitutional silver, which would be your 90% silver dimes. They'll fit right in here like butter. Look at that. All right, we're just going to go ahead and fill it up now. We had 46 constitutional dimes, and we put them in this tube, and you can see there's a line on there, so we're just a hair short. So we need about 4 more dimes to put in there to fill it up. But yeah, these tubes are pretty nice. And they got a nice lid too.